Okay. All right, gonna start out by making my levels. Yesterday I took a pretty big loss. It was just a normal loss, but I was in the I did it when I went to the bathroom and I came back and I was down like 16%, and I think it went all the way down to like 20. But then it rebounded to like 8, and then I got out at like 12 or something, or 13, and so it was a bigger loss than usual. But um, I definitely got lucky there. So in the last couple of days, I've been really slipping with my rules. So today, I'm just gonna make sure I follow my rules. I'm not expecting to make any money today. I've got to actually head out here at like probably like 10:30, honestly, at the latest. So I don't have loads of time, but um, I'm gonna give her a go here. See if we can find a nice little setup. Um, I'm also probably gonna start looking to see if I can get a funded account through like I don't know, like I was looking at Top Step. I'm not sure what if that one's any good or not, but it seemed to be like the best one I could find. I don't need to trade with like 200 grand, so I think Top Step will give you like 50, and it's the cheapest one. Um, and so I'll probably do that. Um, Man, Apple not looking super strong here. I don't know if that's just just me, but I mean, it does not look overly strong. I will say has a very key point of resistance there. Oh shit! What am I doing? Pretty big gap up on the day, as you can see. If we could break that higher high. Uh-oh. Just choppy yesterday, holy cow. I got in around here. Yesterday I got in like around here and stopped out like somewhere right around here. And good thing I fucking did. I lost my cool yesterday and I was like, fuck it, I don't care anymore about my account. That bitch would have got oh my gosh. That right there was like 15%. Imagine, I mean that was only like a on my screen like a half an inch move. Or I guess what, let's check. It'd be like one of these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. Like 12 boxes, which was like 15%, which obviously you can't lose more than 100% of your money, but I mean, I would have just been fucked. I mean, whew, man, good thing I fucking sacked up and closed that bitch. Because that would have been bad. QQQ just making higher highs. If Apple can break above this, I love. Man, also, I must say, I did closed out my short position yesterday at like a 15% loss. I was going to go to 25% loss because I was really going to let it run if it ran. And so, and it was with all money it was with my gains from the other day, so I didn't really. And the whole account is with money that I forgot I even had. So obviously, I don't just want to fucking blow it, but it wasn't the most important money in my life. So I'm just gonna be patient again today. If Apple can't break this previous high day, I'm probably not gonna go for it. Here we go. Good looking push there out of Apple. Yeah, if we could get above. If we can break and base off of this zone here, I love the markets to the high side. And these I mean VIX is definitely coming back down. Not definitely that it's I'm not saying that it's going to come down, but it's a clear daily downtrend, so with not much in its way, I'd say. I mean, that's probably about just, plus we got this gap here, which kind of got filled already by that, but I mean, you never know. Tesla pushing it. Wow, what a push. Meta pushing it, Nvidia pushing it, Amazon pushing it, Q's pushing it. I mean, I tell you what, if oh shit, I don't know if Apple's gonna get above that before before a retracement. But they put in a new I'm not gonna say that that's a new higher low. I don't know if I can say that. I really struggle with how to with TA when it comes to gap ups or gaps. I'm not sure if that negates it or what the best way to do that would be. I mean, probably the only way I'll go long here is if we can break this level. If we don't break that level, I'm not going long. You heard it here first. I'm fucking sticking to it. So. Okay. Here we go. Pushing it, pushing it, pushing it. Let's see if we can get through. You know, I doubt it, but looks like we did push above. Let's see if we can get well above. Not even necessarily well above, but yeah, I like this. This looks strong to me. Increasing volume. If we can continue pushing that, and get a nice retracement, then I love it. Okay. Still liking it. Still liking it. Still liking it. Let's see. SPX. I would love to see SPX smash through that. I guess that's on the daily. But I mean, still a pretty decent. I mean, here you can see it kind of respected that 20 on the daily. I mean, to an extent, before it finally broke through and based and went back to the upside. So that's kind of what it's kind of a situation like this is the same here. Bounce off of this diagonal line, and it pushed through and kind of just got through, but it must have. I mean, probably on the weekly, it probably. I don't fucking know how that all ties together, but I would love to see. I mean, things are looking strong here. I will say on SPX and the Qs. Let's see here. Yeah, I would love a retracement here, so we could take this bitch to the upside. Looks like we might get one here, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I can't believe Queen Elizabeth died. I actually just saw that the other day. I don't know when it happened, but looking strong, I will say. Looking very strong. Apple, great push. Let's see if Apple can break above that. I think if Apple breaks above this kind of, it's tough because there's quite a few levels here that need to be respected, or that might be respected. You never know. But uh-oh. Could not successfully break through at the moment. Let's see. Show me something. Show me something, Apple. What do you got? Microsoft, I mean, fucking pushing it. I mean, what were they the other day? They were 250. It's all the way back up to 260. It's a sound move there. That's only 5% actually, but there is still a very solid move. 290 to 305. And about a 5% move as well. And then we've got this, I forget what this, that big zone up there is even for, but I mean, we broke above this zone, this one here. So that could be a solid point there as well. Let's make that nice and orange. And then maybe something like right in there off of this, and this, and this. I like that. Let's see how she, I mean, she's pushing it pretty fucking hard, so. I mean, very hard pushing it. What is leading the charge here? I mean, pretty much everything. I really want to see Apple break above that for a solid confirmation there. Okay, so if we can, I guess we've already broke that, and I'd love to see us base on that now. I think that's a good break and base point. Right here with the 5 EMA, or 9 EMA as well, to continue to the upside. meeting some selling pressure here for sure on the Qs. Let's see if what Apple's doing. They probably getting way down there, huh? Let's see. I'd probably go long here on I don't want the 0 days. What are the 3 days gonna cost me? I mean, you could probably give me the 200 a pop. You could damn near buy 5 of them. I'll probably just stick with 4. Right around 800 bucks. That's fine. Smaller day here for to end off the day or end off the week. Alright, let's see here. Let's get a nice retracement again. We get their retracement, I'm taking it. Taking it with 4, half will be going at 10. Then I'll cut half again. Just another one at new high at high day break, and then keep a runner. But they'll all be pretty much break even. When I'll be break even once we hit 10. But it looks like we might just shove it again. Gotta stick to my plan. I think we're gonna have a beauty of a day here. Going to check out some cars. We got an auction today at noon, and so I am looking forward. What will those be? Those will be the 305s. I guess I did look at so probably 3 will be good. I mean, 4 will probably take us over $1,000. Right at $1,000. We'll probably go 4 and just see, I'm worried because Tesla's already down there. Nvidia, a lot of stuff is already pretty much approaching their EMAs for their retracements. We got an engulfing here. We have a dispute on proper pricing here. So let's see. I mean, I'd like to see Apple come down before the Qs get down there. Because I mean, this looked pretty. This is a strong move here. Solid consolidation there before the move up. And I'd love to see this EMA catch up a bit, but I don't know if it's going to. We got 40 seconds left in this candle. Let's see what let's see what we can do here. Dang, my stuff keeps reconnecting or disconnecting. I wonder why that is. And again, I'm fine taking the L today. I'm not. Yeah, let's take that down. I'd like that candle down. One more to I'd love to see that further down, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get it further down. Looks like it's gonna Just ripperoo. Yeah, Apple making new highs. This is definitely gone. That trade idea is definitely gone, I would say. So, I mean, if Apple comes back from to that, I don't probably wouldn't want to buy that. And so this trade idea is now pretty much. I mean, unless this can get back without Apple coming back down, I'm gonna say that it's a done deal here that we're going up without me. Man, that is just so fucking frustrating. And I just want to hop in right now because there's times when I can just feel. Because I guarantee you we'll break that. We'll break a new high day here. I mean that's why. I mean there it's already a new high day. There it is, easy. I don't need a fucking. But it's tough. Like how do I base risk off of just nothing like that? It's hard. We'll come back. I guess not even come back. We'll still be here, but let's see here. If we could get a tap over here, I would take it still. But if we come all the way back down here, I won't be taking that. That looks kind of not kind of that looks bearish to me. AMD not looking super strong, to be honest. Looks like we're losing a little bit of momentum here. Wow, big saw off there. They did not like that. They did not like that zone there. Or that level. Fuck, I don't know why I didn't put that in. I guess it wasn't huge, was it? I still like this entry off the cues. But let's see if we could get something. It'd be on the 305s as well again. Yeah, we'll probably go 4. Keep right around $1,000 is what I'll probably try and do. But it doesn't. I'm not sure if we'll. I don't like that fucking huge upper wick too much. But I mean it. I don't know. We look pretty strong, I'd say. Nvidia and AMD fucking trade crazy similarly, I feel like. You know, man, I get it. Who knows? Yeah, we ain't getting it. Fuck. Good night, man. This is a tough. My strategy's it's been tough trying to ride trends on retracements because you never know which fucking one to use. That's why you just gotta play your system, huh? Apple seeming to lose a little, not lose strength, but I'd like to see a true retracement here because we've broken above quite a few levels. I mean, I just doubt we'll see back to here. So got kind of a doji there. We'll take the 305s again, but I mean, you just never know. Another engulfing there. So you'll see the The broadening formation, maybe. Yeah. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Um, and we'll probably see another higher high. I mean, maybe another lower low. You never know. But it looks like we're just gonna fucking moon it. So that's okay. Let's see here. Looks like we're coming back down again. I'll still take it if we can get down there. Pay to see if that setup is gonna go back in the other direction. Just gonna wait for a tap and then there we go, we got the tap and we're in, and this could probably just knife right through it, which again would be fine. But that was our first true tap, and let's see if we can find something to the upside here maybe for once. Wouldn't that be nice? Pretty good bounce off of there. I mean, there's that 7% like I talk about. We'll need to make a higher high here for sure. Doesn't look like we're gonna get that, but let's see what we got. Apple was wanting to make higher highs, but it looks like they're just gonna make get back down to lower lows. I don't know how it says that I'm not even at break even right there, which didn't make any sense because I guess it did go a little bit lower, didn't it? But regardless, I'll get out of these at 10% loss, stop loss, and then just get on with my day. I've got a bunch of other stuff to do, but I would like to. I mean, yeah, would I like to end the week on a winner? Absolutely, I would. But we'll see. Doesn't look to be too much buying pressure here off this EMA, and so that kind of worries me. Apple looking to be, yeah, Tesla losing steam, Meta losing steam. I'm guessing we just head back down. Yeah, we're definitely heading back down. We'll get stopped out here for. I'll take a 10% tag here. That's fine. Just get on with my weekend. Get on with the stuff I got to do for the day. So it's okay. Once price goes against you, it's tough to come back from. I mean, honestly, it is. So, and it looks like we're heading back down here again, unless we can get a tweezer bottom, which doesn't look like we're gonna get. It looks like we're just gonna get hard stopped out here. Damn, strong move to the downside there. Apple off its 5-minute 9. We're at about 7% in the red. Let's see if Apple can use this as a solid continuation pattern. Doesn't look like it, but you never know. I mean, yeah, it just doesn't look like nothing wants to hold. It looks like we're probably heading back in the other direction here. Especially with Tesla breaking through, Meta breaking through, Nvidia breaking through, SPX. SPX has yet to break through. I don't know how those two correlate too well. SPY wanting to bounce. Apple wanting to bounce. I doubt it. Q's wanting to bounce. Yeah, we're probably just going to head back down, which is fine. Again, I'm really just going to start not caring about the losses and just get on with it, I think. I followed my rules, I mean, pretty well there. Took a solid entry. And if we can turn it back around, great. If we can't, cool. I got stuff to do anyways, so but I'm actually looking forward to doing it. There's a couple cars I'm going to check out, a couple motorcycles going to check out at Copart. So I'm actually very excited for that because we used to do that a lot, but we haven't done it pretty much anyway. In the last little bit, we haven't done it much. So looks like there's some sort of buying pressure here, but it doesn't look like it's anything too crazy. It was kind of off the 10-minute. Let's see if we can put in a tweezer, not a tweezer bottom, I guess, but maybe an engulfing bar here on the 10-minute would be cool. We only got about 2 minutes left for that, and it doesn't look. Typically, I saw Penny Lane Blaine. She put something out like this, and I've noticed that my setups are either working immediately or they get stopped out. Like it's something like this where it's like, yeah, it's kind of working, but then like it ultimately fails because there's not enough buying pressure. And that's kind of what I feel too. That's actually not exactly what I feel, but I do feel something very similar. But I mean, this looks to be like buying pressure, but it's not. It doesn't look to be that much, to me, honestly. But I mean, we're at what, 8? We're at about 8% right now. Let's see what Apple's doing. What does Apple want? Apple wants higher, it looks like. Or at least a little higher on the thing there. So we're going to sell 2 there at 10%. And then the others will pretty much just be, I'll sell the next one at this high of day break. Or break even. Let's see here. 234 was our average price. We'll go 235 just to be safe. And then we'll sell these at like 350. We'll just put, that's just like the number I'm going to use there for that. Just to kind of keep it so they can actually really run. But I put a stop at break even, which will probably hit because it doesn't look to be too. I guess we did negate that. Oh man, this is gonna be a close one here. Let's see where this guy stops here. This is a 10-minute, and we got 20 seconds left. Let's see if we can either try and put in a tweezer bottom, or continue the pattern or the trend back down. It looks like, yeah, put in a nice little move there, but this next one will ultimately be the kind of show you kind of which direction we're really wanting to go. And it looks to be down. It looks to be back down. I mean, that's okay. It's just tough because I'm trying to to ride these trends, and it's tough when when I can't get on it. And so I saw my next one here at this retest of this high of day. If we can get up there, that's when my next sell-off would be. Doesn't look like we're gonna get there. We're gonna get stopped out. So here's what my live thoughts were. Where if we can break back above this, sell my third here, and then keep a fourth as a runner, that's what I probably would have done. Or that's not what I probably would have done. That's what I would have done. But now that we're gonna get stopped out here, I mean, if we could hold this, I guess there's a chance. But this double, we'll have to get above this double top here, which does not look promising on the declining volume. I guess it's declining on a decline, so maybe there's more buyers stepping in. But it just looks like lower lows to me and lower highs. So to me, I'm guessing we'll probably head back in the downward direction, which is fine. I mean, I don't really give a shit. I know I'm gonna get stopped out. I always get stopped out, and so that's okay. It's okay to lose. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to break your rules. So, I mean, I'm probably gonna sell out another one here. Do I gotta let my system play itself out, right? I'm gonna put that order back on. I just need to stop. I need to stop doing that. I need to let the thing, 234 is my average price, so we'll go 235 because I feel like I keep getting. I mean, it's just so tough. Do I lock in gains right here, or do I try and play for another one? You just never fucking know, and I feel like I'm always on the wrong side of things, which is it's tough. It's tough to be feeling like you're fighting, which I have been feeling like I've been doing lately. So again, I mean, if we can get some buying pressure here, I would love to. I mean, obviously, I'd love to take it higher, but it's just, you never know. Very hard to kind of tell what stocks are gonna do, and my price action reading isn't the best, but there looks to be a little bit of buying pressure there. We broke that double top. Let's see if we can continue that to the upside there. We're not breaking it with much force though, are we? I mean, you could kind of probably say that's an inverse head and shoulders. Do something like this. Bang, 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 bang. And I know they're not perfect, but that's just kind of what I'm seeing there. I'm going to really be patient here to try and see if... Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants it that much at this higher level. But I just need to be... my patience needs to level up. That we're not going to continue to the upside. That's about a 20% right there. Oh man, I want to sell my other one at. Shit. Just fucking push it. Let's go. Come on, get up there. Yeah, she doesn't want it, does she? I'll get out for another one here for 18%. Oh, fuck. I still have some fucking order. God bless a fucking America. I mean, this is just how it goes. I mean, I contemplate on it for fucking 5 seconds, and then it just fucking tank. I mean, it's God fucking bless America, dude. Jesus Christ. So now that's back down to like 13%, 12%. God fucking damn it. There, I sold out another one at 13. I mean, do I just fucking take it out at 13 here? It doesn't look like to me like we're getting much further up than that. God, I need to quit being such a bitch, don't I? That's already back up to 20. Come on, Apple. I need Apple to fucking turn it around here for me. Apple seems to be my biggest. The biggest thing holding us back. Probably Microsoft too. Fucking Microsoft shoving it. Apple is what's keeping us back. Everything else, Microsoft, Tesla, Meta. Let's see if Meta can break a new high day. Put in that new high day, Meta. Get on up there. Get on up there. Come on. Fucking Apple. Just really. Apple really. It's been tough getting Apple to move lately. It hasn't. It's been pretty stagnant the last. I mean, there's not much trend in there. But you know what? Let's see if we can put one in today. Looks like we're coming up on that high day break. It's a 305.90. I'll just sell out my last one at 305.90. Should have kept my other one, obviously, but once the gains are there, I gotta lock them in. So if once we get above that wick there, I'll sell it just because that's a solid place to sell it. I would say. Man, I just want to sell out right now for fucking 25%. But I'm gonna hold on. Hold on, there we go. Good job. I mean, solid trade today. Do I wish I had my other runner? Absolutely I do. I mean, solid day trading though. I got back all my losses from yesterday and then some. Let's see, that first two went at like 10%. The second went at, or the third went at like 13.8, and that last one went at about 25%. And I wish I had my runner here because I wish I would have held that. That third one was originally supposed to go there. Which I didn't. I was unable to sack up and hold that, which sucks because we're probably just gonna fucking moon it now. And it would have been like my first 100% banger. But regardless, I mean, I fucking knocked it out of the park. Not really. I mean, I think I got down to like 7-8% here before we headed back to the upside. But I mean, regardless, solid day today. That was a 3-day too. But yeah, I'm gonna log off and then journal that trade there, and then get on to Copart and the rest of my day. So I got to work with my brother later, and yeah, big Iowa State game this weekend. So oh fuck, man, it looks like it's just gonna. Looks like it might just go. Fucking A. Man, I wish I had my runner. Keep that break even, or that stop loss of right there at like that 10%, which would have been sick. How sick would that have been? A runner is breaking even at 10%. and that's unheard of in my trading. So, I mean, solid day today. I wished my only gripe there was that I kind of got scared here on that little pullback, that little retracement. That was 1040. Let's see. It was probably just a pullback to the fucking 1040. I get it one. I guess not even. It was probably right here. It was that pretty decent pullback, and then I pretty much got out at the worst time, which is annoying, obviously, but I mean solid. And look at that, my inverse head and shoulders kind of played out exactly how I thought. So that's cool to see. Man, that would have been a killer runner. I'd probably be sitting at 30% right now, 35%, 40 maybe. She looks like she's just gonna keep pushing it too. Apple must have caught. Yeah, once Apple breaks above this high day, I feel like it's just, or if it does, I feel like it's just gonna fucking go. I mean, I took those almost $1. I mean, probably right around $1 for the last two. No, the other one I sold here, but that last one I took $1, which is a big move for me. So, yeah, I wish I had my fucking runner in. Next time I'm gonna hold it and we'll go at break even. So, or maybe I move it up to like 5. I just keep a 10% stop from every move. Maybe I should just kept my stop here at this next candle. Just gonna shove it. I guarantee you we just shove it now. Damn it. That's tough though to see the stuff you left on the table. So this is it for me. I need to get the fuck out of here before I start keep kicking myself. All right.